Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin, and today I'm going to show you what to do when your toilet is doing this. Alright guys, the reason this happens is because the chain gets kind of all tangled up in itself, and what happens is when you pull this and it comes back down, it doesn't go all the way back in. So the flap kind of stays hanging. So what you could do is kind of adjust this chain and make it tight up, but see how it gets tangled up down there? This part. So you need to, this is what happens, it keeps tangling up. I tried this trick where you put a straw in it to keep it from tangling itself. You know, so the straw will go like that. You could try that. This straw might be a little too big. I tried it, it doesn't work. So I'm gonna take this whole thing off. Alright guys, I'm gonna take the chain off the hook. And then I'm going to use some of the heat shrink. It's used for wires when you're doing electrical wires and stuff. So I'm just going to shove this here like that. This is the part that always gets tangled. And I'm going to apply some heat. Alright guys, let's try it out. I don't know if it's gonna get caught up on here. Let's see. Seems to be working fine. Let's try it again one more time. Seems to be working pretty good. Alright guys, that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys later. Take care.